This is the important topic, bitwise and logical operation. So let's understand this first. Let's take this example. So we have two inputs, input A and input B. Okay. So if they are asking bitwise operation, then we can write like A and B. And if they are asking logical operation, then we can write like A and B. This is a representation. Okay. So in this bitwise operation, what will happen? This is the input A, this is the input B. Okay. So here bit by bit operation will perform and operation will be performed. Okay. So how it will happen? 1 and 1, 1, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0. Okay. So this is the final result of this bitwise operation. And in this logical operation, they will perform first AND operation within this input. So 1 and 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, and then 0 and 0, 0. So 0. This is the AND operation within that input A. Similarly, they will perform AND operation within this B, within input B. Okay. So 1 and 1, 1, 1 and 0, 0, and then 0 and 1, 0. So 0. Then after that, whatever the result come, that will again perform AND operation between those two results, two outputs. So 0 and 0, 0. So this is the final result for this logical operation. Okay. So what is happening here? In this bitwise operation, at output we will get same number of output bit as the input bit. But in this logical operation, we will get output bit is a 1 bit. Okay. So this is the key difference between this bitwise and logical operators. Okay. Now let's solve the question based on this bitwise and logical operation. So this is the question. In this question, they have given two inputs. Each one is having 3 bits. So 2 down 0 means 3 bit. Here 3 outputs. Here it's a 3 bit out or bitwise. Means we need to perform bitwise operation between these two inputs. And then whatever result will come, that will go through this output port. Again, for this output port, we need to perform logical operation. That's why they wrote out or logical. And here, in this is the 6-bit output port. Okay. So here they mention inverse of B in the upper half of out NOT and inverse of A in the lower half. So this is the NOT operations, right? So inverse of B we need to store in this upper half of this out NOT, means 5 down 3. In those bits we need to store upper half of inverse of B. Okay. And inverse of A we need to store in this 2 down 0 of out NOT. Okay. Now let's write the code for this. Assign out or bitwise equal to A. So this is the bitwise operation. So we need to write A and B. Single AND is enough. Next, assign. Sorry, it's OR operation. So we need to write OR here. Okay. Next, out or logical equal to A or B. Okay. So this is the bitwise operation, this is the logical operation. Next, assign out NOT, but we need to specify the bits where we are going to store. So 5 down 3. In this we are going to store inverse of B. Okay. Next, assign out NOT 2 down 0 equal to inverse of A. Okay, so this is the solution for this question. Let's submit and check it. Okay, so our code run successfully. Okay, so in this way we can write this bitwise and logical operation codes. Okay, so just remember whatever the theory I have explained, just remember those things. Let's move to the next question. Let's solve this question. In this question, what they are saying is build a combinational circuit with 4 inputs. So this is the input and this is a 4-bit input. Okay, so 3 times 0 means 4-bit. And we have 3 outputs. Out AND, out OR and out XOR. So what they are asking, output of 4 input AND gate. So in this output port, we need to store AND operation between those 4 inputs. Okay, here OR operation of between those 4 outputs. Here XOR operation. So let's write the code. Assign out AND equal to AND of in. In this way we can write this AND operation. Okay, so here also, so in this way we can write this AND operation. Here what will happen, it will perform AND operation between all these 4 bits. Okay, whatever the input 4 bits are there, it will perform AND operation between those bits. Next, assign out OR equal to OR of input. Okay, next, assign out XOR equal to XOR of in. So this is the symbol for this XOR. Okay, let's submit and check. Okay, done. So there is a no mismatch between the inputs and whatever the reference. There is a no mismatch. So our code has run successfully. Okay, so we'll solve more question in this next part. Till that, thank you.